July is not only a peak month for irrigation usage, it's also known as Smart Irrigation Month. The Irrigation Association made the declaration to promote awareness of new irrigation technology. Help your landscape beat the heat and avoid water waste with the most efficient irrigation system. In the summer, as much as 90% of your home's water bill can be generated by outdoor water use, especially if you still have grass here in the desert. Seasonal watering restrictions help Southern Nevada curb water waste, but there's much more to using resources wisely. For instance, installing the right irrigation system for your landscape's needs and adjusting your irrigation clock seasonally are key components to water conservation. Your irrigation system is the heart of your landscape. If it doesn't do its job properly, your plants will suffer, especially in summer when temperatures jump to triple digits. Many homeowners overwater their landscapes and waste water because of inefficient irrigation systems. When you ensure your irrigation system is working properly, you can save money and water and see better results in your landscape. If you have an older irrigation system, it may be time to replace the heart of that system, your controller, with new technology. A variety of smart irrigation controllers can take a lot of the work off your hands. These state-of-the-art controllers automatically adjust watering run times in response to environmental changes. They use sensors or weather data to manage watering times and frequency. Smart controllers can turn off your sprinkler system when it rains, which is useful during the valley's monsoon season. Some of them will also shut off if winds gust or temperatures sink.
Smart Irrigation Controllers is a new technology that's come out in the last few years that allows homeowners to have greater control of their irrigation system. Old controllers actually would have a set schedule, set days, all these set type of things that would kind of dictate the watering. Smart controllers allow you to basically water based on the plant's needs and most importantly based on the weather input. So by having those inputs into the controller, you actually can save a lot of water. So you can save 10 to 20% of your water each year. And for a residential homeowner, that could be 10, 20,000 gallons a year. For large properties, that could get up into hundreds of thousands of gallons of water.
The Southern Nevada Water Authority offers a rebate coupon to help you upgrade to a smart controller. The rebate is worth as much as $200 or 50% off the purchase price of a qualifying controller, whichever is less. Find out which controllers qualify at snwa.com, get program details, and print the rebate form. Saving money is easy. You'll receive an instant rebate when you bring your coupon to participating retailers. But if you purchase a smart controller from a non-participating retailer, you can still mail in your rebate form. The good news about smart controllers is they get smarter with time. With smart technology on the rise, monitoring your landscape is as simple as tapping into your phone, tablet, or computer. New smartphone apps now help residents remotely control their home irrigation system.
The new controllers actually, a lot of them are app-based, which means you can control them for your phone. What's nice about that is that if you want to change your irrigation schedule, you don't have to go in the garage. You can do it from your phone. So when we change our watering schedules throughout the year, it's an easy thing to get on your phone to change it. If you're out of town and you hear maybe it's raining or something, it's an easy thing. You just go on your phone and you can turn your irrigation controller off. So that new technology is really making it much easier for people to control their systems.
The Environmental Protection Agency stamps qualifying irrigation controllers with its WaterSense label to help consumers make water-smart choices that save money and maintain high environmental standards. The EPA says WaterSense labeled irrigation controllers can save an average home nearly 8,800 gallons of water annually. As with all WaterSense labeled products, the EPA independently certifies irrigation controllers to ensure they meet tough WaterSense criteria for efficiency and performance. Smart controller savings aren't just for homeowners. HOAs and commercial properties can also receive the rebate. Larger properties are perfect candidates for smart technology, since the controllers are capable of irrigating larger landscapes that often have varied plant needs in each watering zone. The Piccoli Ranch Association has several smart controllers to help the community manage its water use.
The controllers have been in for about 3 months, and so we're seeing some savings in the water use, but we're also seeing some substantial growth in the root system. So we're started at about 3 inches of root depth, and we're about 5 inches right now in root depth. With this particular model of smart controller, it actually looks at the depth of water in the soil and says, hey, we may have a high water requirement, but I haven't depleted the water in the soil yet. So then it actually replaces the amount of water that's actually lost from the soil through a calculation.
Piccoli Ranch also uses smart controllers to irrigate most common lawn areas. Because the community has designated flood channels that are part of the regional flood control system, the community is required to keep some grass to slow the flow of water during storm events and help to prevent erosion.
One of the primary objectives for Piccoli Ranch was to obtain a sustainable landscape for the diversion channels in which the flood control district requires turf grass to slow down the heavy rains when we do have heavy rains. So in order to do that, we use smart controllers to enhance the root system, and which creates a very sustainable and durable turf grass for the water to flow on. The secondary benefit to that is that we have water savings.
While smart controllers are designed to increase watering efficiency, they do require initial setup and occasional monitoring to ensure optimal water savings. If you need help setting up the technology, you may want to consult an SNWA WaterSmart contractor or visit a participating retailer before trying to install and set up your own controller. Some landscapers in the WaterSmart Contractors program also accept the Smart Controller rebate coupon. Visit snwa.com to see a list of WaterSmart contractors. Let a Smart Irrigation Controller take the guesswork out of manually adjusting your irrigation clock. The SNWA's rebate not only saves you money, but time you could be outdoors enjoying your landscape instead. Reporting for Waterways, I'm Christine Vaughn.